This is our table. And Jeanette and I are not very fond of this glass. It marks up a lot underneath of it. And it's always dirty. It's kind of small, so we are going to put a new top on it. It should be fairly easy. There are screw holes down here. We got a wood top, and that's what we're going to do today. This is the new top. Bought this at Menards for $60. We're going to stain it weathered gray. Weathered gray. Let that dry for an hour. Flip it over, stain the other side, stain the edges, let that dry, and then we're gonna put resin over the top of it. drips for a while and torch it every once in a while. And this is the finished tabletop. I like the color, but found out that it was a little bit more difficult working on a project this size with resin and it being wood. It was temperamental. It took us a long time dealing with, see, we got imperfections there. Bubbles that just wouldn't stop coming. We couldn't get rid of them. A bubble there. But we have a few imperfections. We got dust on it. It was a learning process. But we could always refinish the top, sand it, buff it, or reapply some resin. And we got some drips too. That's bubbles right there. Oh well, this is our first time working with wood. We like it, we're gonna use it. We can get rid of some of this stuff. Have to YouTube it first though. I'm going to sand these drips off and put the tabletop on the legs. There it is. New tabletop. Put on old legs. I like it. It's much bigger. It gives us a lot more room. And that is our tabletop project. It's all done. Thanks for watching.